If you've ever felt lost in Jira because of the default language, or you're working in a multilingual team, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. In this quick guide, I'm showing you exactly how to change the language in Jira step by step so your workspace finally feels personal, clear, and easy to navigate. Let's jump right in. Changing the language in Jira isn't complicated, but the option is tucked away where many users don't think to look. So here's what you need to do. Start by opening Jira in your browser and heading straight to your main Jira dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after logging in. At the top of the page, you'll notice the Your Work tab. This is your personalized hub where all your recent issues, projects, and tasks live. We're not changing anything here, but it helps confirm you're on the home page. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either a profile picture or a simple silhouette icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a drop-down menu containing your personal account controls. From this drop-down, select Manage Account. This takes you to your centralized account settings where all your personal preferences are stored. Once the page loads, look for Account Preferences. This is a section where Jira lets you tweak how the interface behaves, including language. Inside Account Preferences, you'll see the language setting. It will show your current language. Most users see English by default. Click on it, and a drop-down list of supported languages will appear. Choose the language you want Jira to display. Once you've made your selection, simply refresh your browser. This step is important because it applies a new language across the entire Jira interface. After the refresh, you'll instantly notice your menus, labels, and navigation updated to the language you picked. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Jira language in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you make your Jira workspace more comfortable and efficient, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.